In this video, we'll show you how you can remove the AI features from Google Chrome entirely. So to get started, tap on this three dot icon in the top right corner and then go to settings. Here first you need to go to the system tab and then turn off this on device AI toggle. So simply turn off this toggle. Next, what you need to do is go to AI innovations. Now select Gemini in Chrome and then turn off all these toggles one by one. So this will basically hide Gemini from everywhere in Google Chrome. Now go back to the previous menu and then select help me write and then turn off this toggle as well. Once you have done this, open a new tab, go to the address bar, type in Chrome : // and then / and then hit enter. Once you have typed this, you need to go to this flags search menu and then type in AI mode. Now you will see a bunch of entries like these. You need to go ahead and then set them all to disable. So go through them one by one and then disable them. Now go to the search menu again and this time type in NTP compose box. Once you have done this, click on this relaunch option to restart the browser and apply the changes. Once you have done this, you won't see the AI features anywhere in Google Chrome. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.